Good morning. We are here with Ahmed Sobi, which is the director of tourism office responsible for Romanian market. Good morning.
Good morning.
How is Egypt these days?
It's great. It's ready to receive you and all Romanian people in Egypt.
Can you please tell us what is so attractive besides the pyramids, of course? What is so attractive for 2014 for Romanians in Egypt?
We have our traditional product, which is Orgada, Sharm el-Sheikh, but we have also a new challenge places, which is El Guna. It's about 15 kilometers from Hurghada. This is a new place for diving and snorkeling. And also we have a new place, which is Marsa Alam. This is like a virgin area for snorkeling and also diving. So Egypt is usually full of new places and new things for Romanian tourists.
What is the best period to go in Egypt from where? Starting from April?
All the year we have, as Egypt, we have a competitive advantage, which is you can go to Egypt all the year, from January till December.
Okay. Do we have direct flights, charters from and to Egypt?
We have Tarom. This is like a direct flight to Egypt, and it start working and stop for time and start and return again. And also we have a charter flight with our tour operator working in the market. But if we are talking about the best time to go to Egypt, this is depend of the vacations of families here, which is the season is from June till October. This is the biggest time to go to Egypt. But for Egypt, as Egypt, you can go to around the year.
Okay. Can you tell us the advantages for Egypt for the Romanians? What is it that make us choose Egypt for this summer?
I can tell you in 2 words, Egypt has it all. We don't only have Red Sea, we have Mediterranean Sea and we have the Nile. If you go for Red Sea, what I mean Hurghada, Marsa Alam, Sharm el-Sheikh, Taba, all this area, okay, this is something. Also, if you go for the northern coast, for Alexandria, for Mediterranean Sea, for Marsa Matruh, this is another thing. If you go to for south of Egypt, which is Luxor, Aswan, and Busimbel, and now we have some new things for Romanian, which is a long Nile cruise. This is from Cairo till Abu Simbel, which takes about 14 days. This is something new. You can see all things. So Egypt has all things. If I'm talking about oasis for adventure tourism, we have all things to present it to Romanian tourists. If I'm talking about beach, they can go to Hurghada, they can go to Marsa Alam, they can go to Sharm el-Sheikh, they can go to El Guna, they can go to, if they are lovers for culture tourism, they can go to Luxor, Aswan, Abu Simbel. If they are looking forward for adventure tourism, they can go to Oasis. If they are looking forward for a Mediterranean Sea, they can go to Alexandria and northern coast, they can go to Marsa Matruh. I think this is more than 10.
Okay. Let's talk a little bit about the situation in Egypt. There's been talk a few months ago about conflicts. How is the situation now?
Now, you know, what happened in Egypt, it was Egyptian matter, because what we had in Egypt, we had 2 revolutions. The first time in Egypt to have like a new elected president. After that, we had our second revolutions, and we are now in a right way because we had our new constitutions. Next month, it will be like a presidential election. After that, when we have a president, we'll have like a parliamentary election, and I think we have all key elements to be a great country, you know, because Egypt usually is a great country, you know. So what we have now is like we have democracy, we have freedom, and we will have also a new elected president. And what was in Egypt for the second revolution, it was a modifications for the first revolutions, you know. So we are now in the right way.
So we can definitely say it's safe for the Romanian tourists to go to Egypt.
Of course, it's safe for Romanian tourists. My family is in Egypt, and I go Egypt, and all people go to Egypt and return. Nothing happened.
Should we expect some touristic special packages for the Romanians this summer?
Yes, every year, because we are working with our tour operators, our partner of success, every tour operator has his competitive prices for Romanian tourists and also has new places to offer to Romanian tourists because Egypt, as I told you, is full of many beautiful things, and I can say that this is the time for Romanian people to go to Egypt because we have like excellent relationship with Romania. So I think we love Romania, and Romanian people love Egypt. Okay, so it's logic to go and visit Egypt.
Okay, what's the cost for, let's say, a 7 days vacation to Egypt?
This is differs because it starts with like 400 euro till 500, maybe more. This is differs because this is belong to the kind of hotel, the kind of the program itself, what it contains. But usually, if you compare it, this is like a competitive price, you know, not so expensive, but this is like a normal price. And I think the Romanian tourists can afford such kind of price.
And at the end, can you tell us your recommendations or your advice for the Romanians regarding Egypt?
I can say like I have a message for not recommendations because as I said so many recommendations to Romanian tourists, but I can say I have a message. I can say to Romanian tourists, please, we are waiting you in Egypt because Egypt now is open and ready to receive you. Please come to Egypt. We love Romanian people and we are willing to have more and more from Romanian tourists in my country.
Thank you very much.